We made it to Yellowstone and we got a campsite.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
Can you believe that?
You could have taken the Upper Terrace Drive
And parked here.
And we are off to go check out Quake Lake. See you on the road. The earth crack splitting campground apart. That had been scary.
Are you ready? You ready to go explore Yellowstone?
I know, I'm excited.
Okay.
We are going to go into Yellowstone, and we've had lots of advice of places to go from people here in the campsite where we're staying, and it's just going to be one day of many that we're going to go check out the attractions around here in Yellowstone. I'm excited. I'm excited that we can take our time and go through it rather than we've gone through it last summer. We just rode through it.
Yeah, we just rode through the northern part, saw
Yeah.
some buffalo, and kept on rolling.
Yep.
That was it.
So we'll see you there. So this is the entrance?
I think so.
Wow, we are camping close to the park, aren't we?
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. So,
Wow.
Permit passes or receipts, ID required. I have it, but let's pull over here. I need to pull the park pass out of my pocket.
Okay. Looks like everybody's coming now. We want to get a map.
Okay. I'm good.
Thank
you,
you.
sir. Have a good one.
You want to pull over somewhere so we can take a look at it?
The entrance.
West entrance.
The west entrance. And we're going to keep going and go up to Mammoth for sure. And then we can't, from what I understand, you can't come back that way.
You can't make that whole loop.
You can't make this loop, so we're going to have to come
Yes, I think from Tower to Canyon City, I think is closed
back. Yeah.
for road repair, is what we were told. I guess we'll find out. Okay, this beats all of the eating lunch on a curb, a parking curb, in a parking lot.
Yeah, this beats that.
Well, for once, Richard's not repairing his motorcycle.
Nice.
I had to dig that, had to put that in. He's repairing them, fixing a mount on a GoPro.
Yeah, palette. P-A-L-E-T-T-E.
Yes. This is for you people who don't like to hike as much. We parked here at Liberty Cap.
Yeah, over by this bathroom.
Yeah.
Right here.
And we walked all the way over here, up here, around here, and we are now here. But guess what you could have done? You could have taken the Upper Terrace Drive
And parked here.
And parked here. So you don't have to walk up here. But I just needed to get Richard out for a hike. Well, we're trying to clean up some stuff we've been carting around for a while. So I have an idea of something I want to make. And I think I want to use up the rest of this onion, this pepper. In here, we have this pesto that's like getting on everything, so that needs to be used up. And we bought Johnsonville brats. So here's what I was thinking. I think that we don't have much now that I look at it, but come on over here. We have some noodles, and we have this large jar of classical spinach Alfredo, and we have some Parmesan cheese. So all this I want to throw all together and be able to use it all up, so we're not carting anything out of here when we do eventually hit the road again. That's my plan.
These are Italian sausages, not really beer brats.
I know. Beer brats don't quite go with the hodgepodge of a meal I'm trying to put together. So just wanted to make note of our own personal bear box. Every campsite here has one.
It's a bear resistant.
True. Storage box.
That's for a bear to smell it
because there's vents in it, but can't get to it. So they get frustrated and leave.
Or he gets frustrated and comes to our tent.
Or they come into the tent where we smell like everything that's inside there.
All right, back to the cooking.
Look at all that wonderfulness.
That sucked up all that Alfredo sauce. I was kind of thinking I'd had too little pasta, but it looked like it worked out well.
Yeah, looks like it did good.
All right, thank you. It's funny how I buy stuff for one thing, and then we kind of end up carting it around for a little while because I don't use it. And then it's like it's like looking in the pantry and going, okay, we have this, this, and this. If we throw it together, what can we make? And it turns out into something delicious. Yeah, it's in sad shape, but it's water. It'll work. So what are you waiting on?
Laundry. Right?
Yes. All right, what's after the laundry? Grocery shopping?
Grocery shopping, and then back to camp to move camp, and then go over to see Quake Lake.
Okay.
Earthquake Lake.
Now comes the challenge of getting all the laundry, which is now clean and has gone poof, back to camp. I missed the trailer. We left it at camp.
Well, I got room, look.
Oh, okay. All right, let's start packing. So, not bad for coming into a small town. $91 to stock up on food. I mean, and we're also, yeah. And our saddlebags are empty, so we're stuffing all the stuff in here to take back to camp. In case you're wondering what we're doing, it's moving day. We are going to move from this site, which we snagged without any reservation, to that site right across the little road there. And once they move out, we snagged that site for 4 more days because we are not done with Yellowstone. We have a lot more that we want to do and see, and so we're going to kind of move the tent gently across the road. Should be fun, right? Yeah. All right, well, anyway, as you can see, we're moved just like that. Camp over there, now camp over here, and we are off to go check out Quake Lake. See you on the road.
Look at that right there. You can see the whole, everything is just slid. You can see it. You can see what happened. Yeah, that's wow.
Wow, so Earthquake Lake was formed when an earthquake hit in August of 1959. which caused an 80-ton landslide, which then caused rising water. This is kind of like a trifecta of really bad things that happened, resulting in 28 people were killed, mostly campers just out enjoying a nice evening. This is kind of this is a very somber and historic site. Buried the campers, submerged river valley, campers evacuated, the earth cracked, splitting campground apart. That had been scary. And then cabins.
Yeah, because all that earthquake, all that water swashed and.
Wow, not a fun camping trip.
No.